Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about every iPhone privacy settings you need to change. So let's get started. First thing first, open the settings app on your mobile device. And now inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option there. Then simply tap on the tracking. Now if it is toggled on, then simply toggle it off. This prevents app from asking for permission to track your activity across other companies' apps and website. So after you toggle this off, go back to the privacy and security again. And in there, scroll down till the bottom and there you'll get to see Apple advertising option available. Tap on it. After you tap on the Apple advertising, simply toggle off the personalized apps option available there. So personalized ads on your iPhone are ads that are tailored to your interest based on your usage data such as your browsing history, app uses and other activities. It will simply stop showing you those kind of ads. Now go back to the privacy and security again. And there you will get to see analytics and improvements. Tap on it and turn off all options such as share iPhone analytics and improve Siri and dictation to limit the data shared with Apple. After you do so, go back to the settings again. Then tap on the microphone option available there. And review the list of apps with access to your microphone and disable access for any app that does not need it or that you don't trust. Then go back again and tap on the photos this time. Then review the list of apps with access to your photos and choose between selected photos, all photos or none based on your preference for each app. It will prevent app from accessing all your photos unless necessary. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.